Do you want to make $50,000 per month just by re-uploading 15-minute movie clips? Then watch this video. Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. Today we'll show you how to upload movie clips to YouTube and start being paid without being copyrighted. We'll provide you examples of channels doing this, let you know how much money some of these channels are making, show you where you can get movie ideas, where you can download movie clips, and finally, we'll let you know how to upload these movie clips without violating YouTube's terms of copyright. So make sure you watch the video till the end. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we explain how to upload these movie clips, let me show you some examples of channels that are doing this. The first channel that caught our interest was Movie Recaps. You can know what this channel does just from its name. This channel was created on December 11th, 2019, and now has around 2 million subscribers. We can see several things from the videos uploaded on this channel. First, we notice that the thumbnails they use are actual scenes from the film. They do this to earn viewers' trust in what they may expect from the film. As a result, there is no clickbait on the thumbnail. We also discovered that while recapping well-known films, they use a different title for the YouTube video rather than the movie's original title. The title of their YouTube videos indicates they describe what happened in the movie. Finally, we discover that most videos are between 10 and 14 minutes long. Isn't it fantastic to upload a video you can record yourself and start earning money? An example video uploaded on this channel is Malfunction woke up a man 90 years earlier, but he can't stand to be alone. This is a recap of the film Passengers, released in 2016. However, as I previously stated, when uploading these videos, they do not use the movie's original title as their video's title. This video was uploaded a year ago and has received over 12 million views. This demonstrates how much people enjoy viewing these movie recaps. So how much money does this channel bring in? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received over 12 million views in the last 30 days, resulting in earnings ranging from $3,100 to $49,400. These estimates, although incredibly high, are not accurate. Social Blade estimates these earnings using a CPM of 25 cents to $4, which is not the actual CPM for re-uploading movies. The CPM for re-uploading movie clips on YouTube is between 75 cents to $2. So if using the correct CPM, we predicted that this channel might make anywhere from $9,254 to $24,678 before YouTube takes their 45% share of the revenue, which is a significant amount considering that you didn't have to do much to upload these movie clips. The last channel I'd like to show you is called Mystery Recapped, and it's doing a great job of re-uploading movie clips, in our opinion. This channel was launched on July 1st, 2021, and in just 1 year and 5 months, it has garnered over 3 million subscribers. You can see why we believe this channel is doing so well. When we look at their videos, the technique remains the same. They do not use the original movie names as the title of their YouTube videos, and their thumbnails are actual scenes from the movie to avoid clickbaiting. One of their most popular videos is titled Real Story. A 6-year-old boy fought in battles, becoming the World War's youngest soldier. The original title of this film is Soldier Boy, which was released in 2019. This video was uploaded on this channel 1 year ago and currently has over 18 million views. When you play the video, you will notice that even though these channels are uploading these movie clips, we cannot hear the original sound of the movie. All we can hear is a voiceover explaining what happens in that film, followed by actual scenes from the film attempting to explain what is said in the narration. Remember that when you upload these videos, they must be accompanied by a voiceover. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. So how much money does this channel make? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel has received over 38 million views in the last 30 days and has earned between $9,600 and $153,900. However, we know that these figures are incorrect. Using the correct CPM of 75 cents to $2, we estimated that this channel might earn between $28,857 and $76,952 per month and $923,424 per year before YouTube takes its cut. Your channel should earn like this if you do everything correctly and produce interesting videos multiple times a week. One thing to keep in mind is that while re-uploading movies on YouTube may not have a high CPM, 75 cents to $2, like other niches, it does receive a lot of views, which results in a lot of money. So the amount of CPM doesn't matter if your videos receive millions of views daily. We've seen how these channels upload their videos and how much money they make. But how do they obtain these movie clips and avoid copyright claims? Let me walk you through the process of making these videos. The first step is to find trending movies to re-upload, which we can do by going to a website called Box Office Mojo. This website provides an organized update on every highly rated movie. You'll see a list of top popular movies that will help you achieve hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. There are countless movies you can work on, and if you choose to work on the top-grossing movies, you will increase your chances of going viral quickly. Hovering your mouse over indices will display a list of all-time top box office movies. These movies have done well in the past and can still generate high CPM ads on YouTube, allowing you to earn more money per thousand views. You can first use these movies for this method, and once you gain traction on YouTube, you can begin using new movies on your channel. After you've obtained the movie title you want to re-upload, the second step is to write a script for the voiceover, since you'll need to explain what's going on in the movie to your viewers. There are numerous approaches to writing the script. First, if you have more time than money, you can hire a freelancer on UpWork for a few dollars to write a script for you that is 10 to 15 minutes long. Let me demonstrate another, shorter way for you to do this for free. For this, we will use a famous movie called John Wick. We'll now go to Google and search for John Wick movie summary. You can see that many movie websites provide what we are looking for, and you can select any of these. However, I recommend that you select the one from imdb.com. When you open the website, you will notice a section called Summaries, followed by Spoilers and Synopsis. So a synopsis is a short and structured explanation of the movie that includes all the essential plot scenes. This is an Amazon website, and everything you get here is entirely accurate, so you don't have to watch an entire movie to double-check if the script is correct. We will use this website to create our short movie explanation videos. Still, please be aware that if you copy and paste the same synopsis from this website, your channel will not be monetized and you will receive copyright strikes. But don't worry, you can avoid copyright issues by paraphrasing whatever is written here or using a website called Quillbot, which will paraphrase the synopsis. Quillbot is a free service that will rewrite anything you put on this website for you, and we will use this website to rewrite our script, which will be completely free of copyright. To do so, copy the first paragraph of the synopsis from the IMDb website, paste it into Quillbot, and then click here on Paragraph. Quillbot will rewrite everything in this paragraph to create a new paragraph. Now you have to copy this newly rewritten content, open any notepad software, or go to Google Docs to save your rewritten text. Google Docs is the ideal option because you can access it from anywhere, and is completely free. When you get to Google Docs, click here on the plus symbol to begin a new page. You only need to paste the rewritten content here to use it later. You must now repeat the process with the remaining paragraphs from the IMDb website. Copy the IMDb paragraph, paste it into Quillbot, copy the newly rewritten text, and paste it into Google Docs. Quillbot will complete your copyright-free script once you have finished paraphrasing each paragraph. Now that we have selected a movie to re-upload and created the copyright-free script, our third step will be to record a voiceover to narrate our copyright-free script for the video. If you don't have confidence in your voice or don't want to use it since English isn't your first language, I recommend hiring a voiceover artist on UpWork.com for as low as $5. This assumes that you have more money than time. Do your voiceovers if you have more time than money. This is exactly what most YouTubers do when they first start their channel. You'll need a microphone if you want to record it yourself. If you want to save money on something other than a great microphone, I recommend using your phone. I'm sure most people viewing this video have a smartphone, and recording voiceovers is as simple as using your phone's built-in voice recording program. You can also use AI software to generate the voiceover for you. If you have more money than time, you can use Descript to create the voiceover in under 5 minutes. The advantage of using Descript's AI-assisted voice is that these voices sound like normal human voices, making it harder for viewers to discover that you are using AI voices. Try Descript, the most human-like TTS program on the market, using my link in the description. After you finish your voiceover, the fourth and final stage is to choose movie clips to use in your video. We will discuss various methods for finding movie clips to download. The first and most straightforward method is to get the movie clips from YouTube. You may go to YouTube and type John Wick movie clips in the search bar, and you'll notice that many clips have already been uploaded. To download any of these clips, open the video and look for a share option like this. You must click there, and it will provide you with a shareable link. Copy the URL, go to i2mate.com and paste it here. It will automatically locate the video and provide you with several video quality options to download. Make sure you download the highest quality possible. You can download and use these small clips in your video, but ensure to remove the audio from the video file while editing. Another method used by content creators to collect movie clips is to record them directly on their computers. Typically, creators buy DVD or Blu-ray discs containing the required clips and use a capture card to capture them. Similarly, some creators will watch a movie on their computers and record their screen as it plays. This enables them to record clips without the use of a capture card. The main disadvantage of this method is that it requires a powerful computer to collect footage without lag. Another option is downloading the complete movie from a third-party website and chopping the bits you need for the video. Remember that using clips shorter than 5 seconds at a time while editing will certainly reduce your chances of being copyrighted. After you've collected the movie clips, the next step is to combine the video clips and the voiceover. If you want to edit videos on your phone, download PowerDirector, which lets you edit and upload videos to YouTube. Assuming you were using a computer, which I highly recommend because it has many features the phone lacks. It will allow you to optimize your videos better. If you're using a laptop, I recommend OpenShot, which can be found at openshot.org, or Synthesia, which is much better because it allows you to record audio within it, making things a lot more accessible. Once you've edited your video and narration, all that remains is for you to post the video and start making money on YouTube. Now we'll tell you what you should do to remove the possibility of copyright claims on your videos completely. So this is the official YouTube Assistance website, and you can see a brief disclaimer here. When you post a new movie explanation video, copy this entire section and paste it into your YouTube video description. This is because a movie recap is a type of commentary, and according to YouTube's fair use guidelines, any commentary on the videos is permitted. We can defend ourselves against copyright accusations by publishing this disclaimer. We'd love to hear what you think about this. Do you want to start a recap channel and earn money from it? Comment down below, let's engage. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2023 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen I've selected just for you. Now you have an idea of how to upload movie clips without copyright claims. But that doesn't help you want to know the 5 best AI video maker software of 2023. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know the 5 best AI video maker software of 2023. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.